Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a term you might have heard: WhatsApp channels. What exactly are WhatsApp channels and how do they work? We will break it down for you in a simple way, so let's get dive right in. So, what are WhatsApp channels? WhatsApp channels are essential a way of businesses and organizations to communicate with their customers or audience on a larger scale. It's like having a dedicated phone line for broadcasting messages to many people at once. These channels use WhatsApp Business API, which allows for more advanced features compared to regular WhatsApp. Here's how they work. Step number one: business registration. A business or organization registers for a WhatsApp business account and get access to the WhatsApp Business API. This enables them to create and manage WhatsApp channels. Step number two: multiple contacts. With WhatsApp channels, businesses can reach multiple contacts simultaneously. It's like sending one messages that reach a whole list of customers. Step number three: communication. Businesses can use these channels to send various types of messages, from updates and notifications to customer support and marketing. Step number four: OPT in process. It's important to note that users must OPT in to receive messages from WhatsApp channels. They have to agree to receive these messages. What are these channels used for? What are the purpose of WhatsApp channels? WhatsApp channels are valuable for businesses because they allow for more efficient communication with their customers. They can send out updates, promotions, and provide customer support all in one place. So, in conclusion, WhatsApp channels are a means of businesses to communicate with their audience on WhatsApp in a structured and efficient way. It's a useful tool for customer engagement. If you found this explanation helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.